This is the first video of the Middleton Robotics Beginner Robotics Virtual Summer Camp. Today, we're going to talk about what FIRST and FIRST LEGO League are and who they are designed for. Here's a quick overview of what we're going to cover today. Let's start with FIRST. FIRST is for Inspiration and Recognition of Technology. FIRST Robotics is a global community for robotics, and it prepares people for the future, a future where robots are dominant and common in everyday life. It was founded in 1989 by Dean Kamen and Woody Flowers. FIRST's main goal is to inspire students in the fields of engineering and technology. It is based around cooperation and gracious professionalism. These are key values in FIRST culture and help guide the team's behavior and culture. Robotics helps prepare you for the real world in more ways than one. It helps you build problem-solving skills as you work through the season with your team, working together to solve problems and build your robot. It also helps build experience by giving you years of teamwork and collaboration, not only with your friends and fellow classmates, but with your teachers and coaches as well. FIRST helps students to not only enjoy robotics and learn about the vast world of robotics in the real world, but also inspires them to be at the forefront of change and growth in their local community. By giving students a variety of experiences over the years, from building robots to solving problems in their local community, FIRST aims to mold people into the science and technology leaders of the future, with FIRST alumni being offered jobs everywhere from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, better known as NASA, to Rockwell Automation. In a way, you can think of FIRST as a do-it-yourself Olympics, with many teams competing throughout the season for the opportunity to show up on the World Championship stage. Next, let's go into details and talk about FLL specifically. FLL stands for FIRST LEGO League. It is one of 3 robotics programs that FIRST offers. It was founded in 1998 as a way to get the younger kids in elementary school interested in robotics, then progress into FTC and FRC as they reached high school. Inside FIRST LEGO League, there are 3 categories: FIRST LEGO League Discover, FIRST LEGO League Explore, and FIRST LEGO League Challenge. Each of them is designed for different age groups. FIRST LEGO League Discover is designed for kids in pre-K and goes up to kids in grade 1 of elementary school. It is designed as an introductory STEM-oriented program that works to build young kids' habits of learning with hands-on activity in the classroom and at home using Legos. FIRST LEGO League Explore is designed for kids that are in grades 2 through 4. It is designed as a foundation builder for robot engineering. They use the Lego WeDo to learn how to design, code, and create robots using their creativity. FIRST LEGO League Challenge is designed for kids in grades 4 through 8 and uses the knowledge that they learned in FIRST LEGO League Discover and FIRST LEGO League Explore to compete using EV3 and LEGO Mindstorm to build a robot that can complete that year's themed game field. Additionally, the team must create a project based on the topic that is assigned based on the game theme for that year. We'll go more into details on this in a minute. Firstly, there is the robot part. Similar to FIRST Tech Challenge and FIRST Robotics Competition, the team has 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play the game on the themed game field, using a robot that they designed and programmed with Legos. This allows elementary school-aged kids to start with something familiar feeling, as many kids in elementary school often have some experience playing with Legos. This allows them to enter an unfamiliar field with something that they've played with for years, bringing a sense of confidence. Oftentimes, many kids start out in FIRST LEGO League when they're in elementary school. This allows them to build an engineering-oriented thinking process and gives them experience working with a team towards a common goal. Then, by the time they reach high school, they've already had years of experience working with others and have worked for years with robots, which makes FIRST Tech Challenge FIRST Robotics Competition that much more fun. But there are also some parts of FIRST LEGO League which are different from FIRST Tech Challenge and FIRST Robotics Competition. In the 2 minutes and 30 seconds that FIRST LEGO League gets to complete the game on the game field, all of it is autonomous. The team gets a base area and all the missions must run autonomously from that point. This is unlike FIRST Tech Challenge, which gets a 30-second autonomous period, and FIRST Robotics Competition, which gets a 15-second autonomous period. Additionally, as mentioned before, FIRST LEGO League is a project, which the team must complete in addition to building the robots. At competitions, the team will be assessed on their project completion by being called into a judging room, where they will have 5 minutes to present their projects to the judges. The project topic is always related to the game theme for that year, often complementing it in some way. The project presents exciting opportunities for the team to learn more about the background surrounding that year's game theme. The project and the robot game scores come together to decide your team's overall score at each competition. These scores decide whether your team gets to advance to the next level of competition. Last year's FLL game was FIRST City Shaper. The game was city-themed, with the design being modeled after architects, which design and construct buildings using science and art to make buildings and other structures for their clients and customers. Sometimes, architects even reuse old buildings to make new ones. Like robotics teams, when an architect is working on a big project, they often work as part of a larger team. Architects work with structural, civil, and environmental engineers to make sure a project is a good fit for a certain building site, and to make sure that it is viable to build a building on a certain piece of land. There are many different challenges on one field. In City Shaper, there were 14 missions. You complete the missions to earn a variety of points. In First City Shaper, for the project, you have to identify a problem with a building or a public place in your community. Then you have to design a mock solution to that problem and share your solution with others. You often have 5 minutes of competitions to present your project to the judges in the judging room. So, in summary, FIRST is an international robotics organization that was founded in 1989 and now includes many different divisions, including FIRST LEGO League, FIRST Tech Challenge, and FIRST Robotics Competition. FIRST aims to promote engineering and STEM education in kids in their local communities. FIRST LEGO League is one part of FIRST Robotics, with kids from pre-K through grade 8 in FIRST LEGO League's 3 categories. FIRST LEGO League teaches younger kids engineering and STEM skills and shows them the application of robotics in the real world. For this video, we use images and information from firstinspires.org, cvrobotics.org, and youthenrichmentleague.com. Also, a big thank you to Suncoast Credit Union for powering this video.